Exercise 1.3. Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which are non-terminating repeating decimals. So here there are 5 problems are there. We have to find the decimal representation of these rational numbers by using the long division method. So here 3 by 8 is given. First one is here 3 by 8. So we have to express this rational number in the decimal form. So to express like this, we have to divide 3 by 8. So 3 divided by 8. 8 zeros are 0. So here remainder is 3. So keeping the point in the quotient, so we can take 0 here. So new dividend is here 30. So how many times it will go? 8 here. 8 3s are 24. Again the quotient is 6. You can keep the 0 here. This one becomes new dividend, and so 8 times 8 7s are 56. So here 4 40. 8 5s are 40. So this is, so 3 by 8 can be written in the form of decimal form. So 0.375 is the decimal expansion of 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 equal to 0.375. Here you see we got the remainder 0 here, and this division is terminates after few number of steps here. That's why this is called as terminating decimal. So 3 by 8 can be written as a decimal terminating decimal. Here we can write this one is a terminating decimal. Okay, next one. 229 by 400. 229 divided by 400. So 400 will not go in 229. So 0 times here 0. So it will be 0 here. 229. Again keeping this one. 405 are 2000. Now the remainder is here 290. Again you can keep the 0, it becomes 2900. 400 how many times it will go? 7 times, 2800. Now after subtracting 2800 from 2900, we can get the remainder 100. Keeping the 0, it becomes 1000. So 400 to 800 here. 2 times 400, it is 800. Again you can get the remainder 200. Keeping 0, it becomes 2000. 405 times it will be 200. So here remainder is 0. So you got the remainder 0. So therefore this one is a division ends here. So division terminated. So therefore you can say this one is a terminating decimal. So 229 by 400. It's a decimal in the decimal expansion of 229 by 400, and that gives the terminating decimal 0.5725. So it is a terminating decimal. So third and fourth, next one here. Now we are going to do third one here. So third one is in mixed fraction, 4 1 upon 5. So this one first we have to write in the improper fraction. So 4 1 upon 5 can be written as 4 times 5 plus 1. We have to multiply these two, we have to add 1. So actual meaning is this one is 4 plus 1 upon 5. So we have to take the LCM. Instead of this one we can write 21 5. This is the meaning. Otherwise directly you can do 4 multiplied by 5 and we have to add 1, it becomes 21 and the denominator we can write. So therefore this one is equal to 21 upon 5. Now 21 is divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. Here 1. Keeping the point it becomes 10. 5 2s are 10. So here remainder is 0. So here the division is ended. So therefore this 4 1 by 5 or 21 by 5 gives the decimal representation 4.2. So it is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Decimal representation of 4 1 by 5 is equal to 4.2. Similarly now we have to take another one, 2 by 11. 2 upon 11. 2 divided by 11. 11 zeros are 0. So 2. Keeping the point it becomes 20. 1s are 11. 11 times 1 11. So this one is the remainder is 9. Again 0 you can keep. So 90 is the new dividend. Divided by 11. 8 times it is 88. Again you can get 2. Keeping the 0 20. Again 1. 1 time 11 times 1 11. The remainder is 9. You can keep it becomes 90. 11 8s are 88. So again 2. Here you see we can observe this one. 1818 it is repeating. So therefore, so 2 by 11 is equal to 0.1818 so on. So therefore 2 by 11 can be written as 0.18 recurring. So repeating this, 2 digits are repeating here. Group of digits are repeating, you can say that is a non-terminating repeating decimal. This one is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, now last one here. This is the fourth one. Now I am going to do the fifth one here. So fifth one is 8 upon 125. 8 divided by 125. 125 zeros are 0. So remainder is 8. Keeping the point in the quotient, we can keep the 0 in the new dividend. So it becomes the new dividend. And 125 0 times it will be 0 only. So again 80. And you can keep the 0, it becomes 800. 125 6 are 125 6 are 750. So subtracting you can get 5 0. So again you can add 0 here, it becomes 500. And 125 4s are, so it is equal to 400. So the remainder is 0. The decimal representation, the decimal expansion of 8 upon 125 is 0.064. Decimal expansion of 8 upon 125 is here 0.064. So it is here the division ends. So end of the division is ended here. The remainder is 0. So therefore we can say this one is a, this fraction 8 upon 125 gives the terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. This one. Okay. Next here, write the following rational numbers in the decimal form, and also state which same all the questions are answered here, this question and this one, this one, this one. So here the first question we have completed, and then we go for the next problem.